Imagine yourself in this 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bucket seats, traction control, keyless entry, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, ABS, alloy wheels, and power door locks. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.